Hi, my name is Lori Schneider with Vig's Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of ExpertVillage, today we're going to show you how to make roasted root vegetables. Okay, so we've got all of our ingredients in our sheet pan, and our next step is to bake it off. And what we're going to do is put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes or until it's fork tender. And the way that we'll test it is by literally taking a fork and making sure that it's nice and tender. It's been about 15 minutes and our vegetables are baking in the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and check on them. And it's a good idea to go ahead and stir them around. I'm going to pull them out a little bit. And they smell amazing. So I'm going to stir it around just a little bit and kind of make sure that our liquids are getting on everything and all of the herbs are still coating all of our vegetables, and it looks like they are, so that's perfect. And looks like we still have a little bit more time in the oven here, so I'm going to go ahead and pop these back in for at least another 10 minutes, and we'll check it to see if they're fork tender after 10 minutes.